Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Legendary track and field coach Stephen Francis's impact continues to resonate, with the University of Technology now moving to ensure his name and legacy live on at the institution he put on the athletics map. Christopher Scott tells us more.
Stephen Francis has left an indelible mark on global track and field, guiding athletes to win close to 100 medals across the Olympics and World Championships. And it showed when athletes, coaches and other stakeholders gathered at the University of Technology on Thursday to pay their respects to the veteran coach who impacted dozens of lives. Asafa Paul, who set the 100-meter world record on 2 occasions at 9.77 and then 9.74 seconds, says Francis recognized his talent from an early stage.
I think that belief drive me to becoming the man I am today. If you didn't believe in me, I would probably still be in country. Who knows doing what? So I'm truly grateful for all I've achieved through Steve Francis.
Head of Spring Tech Track Club Maurice Wilson, who has traveled and worked with Francis for more than 20 years on international assignments, believes Francis was one of a kind.
And so while persons may think that Fran was controversial, which he was at times, but it was a part of his motivation to get his charges going, to get him motivated, and even the national coaching staff. And so teams, at one point in time, Donald Quarry was the technical leader. And there would be, of course, some disagreements, but over time, we resolved that with resounding victories.
According to Pro-Chancellor at the University of Technology, Ali McNabb, Francis's undeniable legacy will be honored with talks underway to rename the grass track at Alfred Sangster Stadium after him.
We intend to honor him in that way. We have already asked the architect, Andre Baugh, to come up with an idea, 3 different ideas. Let us share it with his brother Paul Francis, and look also to get.
Francis's approach to coaching was characterized by discipline, technical expertise, and an uncompromising commitment to excellent results in unrivaled global success, with medals across the 100, 200, 400 meters, 400-meter hurdles, sprint hurdles, the long jump, high jump, as well as the shot put. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.